How do you use chopsticks in Japan? Hello everyone, thank you for watching my channel, Project Sotoyummy. I talk about 3 topics: Japan, Philippines, and a healthy lifestyle. And that over there is my pull-up bar. I like doing calisthenics. So, to briefly introduce myself, I'm a pure Filipino guy who was raised in Japan. I am still based in Japan and I have Japanese citizenship. After education, I had a few years in the professional services doing finance and consulting. But right now I'm quite focused in this project, which my goal is to help people in their travels and for them to learn the cultures and language of Japan and Philippines, plus achieve a healthy lifestyle. I just finished my 6-pack challenge. I've been running and doing some calisthenics, so I thought that could also help. So anyway, that's who I am. And today it's gonna be about how to use the chopsticks. You know, not a lot of Japanese know how to use the chopsticks as well. I mean, not everyone uses the chopsticks well. Like, this is not the right way, you know? This is the right way. So I'll teach you step by step how to use it and also give you some tips today. Oh, by the way, please, if you like to know about Japan, Philippines, and healthy lifestyle, please give me a thumbs up, a like button, plus subscribe, please. So, oh, by the way, I do it both in English and Japanese. It's gonna be in English in this video, but you would also learn how to use Japanese, so hope you like it. But before I go there, let's do my workout. A little bit of workout. Oh, it's not good. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I'm now pumped up and I would like to start. Let's do it. So today I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items like this. This is the chopstick that I'll use today, and this is called the hashoki. Maybe I would say the hashi stand, or the thing for putting your hashi on. Plus uncooked rice. I'll show you how I pick the rice. And I also like poker, so let's also try to pick this with the hashi plus a bowl. So let's do it. I'm a little tired right now. Yeah, let's do it. So hey guys, I'm back. I took a little rest. That workout was quite hard. I can now speak properly. Yeah. So, this is the chopsticks. You pick it up with your right hand and just do this. This is my speed. This is how I do things. It's like this. So, firstly, well, when you're used to it, you will be able to do it like in 1 second, but you need a lot of practice to do this. But this is how it works. So, there are 2 chopsticks. The first chopstick, this 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. You just place it here. Next, the second, put it on top of the middle finger and like this. So this chopstick and these 3 fingers do not move. It's only these 2 fingers that you move, like this. So this is how you use the chopsticks. Let's do it again. You pick your chopsticks, you place your first chopstick here, then put it on top of this finger, like this, then only move these 2 fingers. This is how you use the chopsticks, like this. See? You see? It's only this finger. Do not move these 3 fingers. Do not move this hashi, like this. Oh, by the way, chopsticks is called hashi in Japanese, or ohashi. If you want the chopstick, just say ohashi kudasai. Anyway, this is how you use it. Some Japanese use it like this. This is not right. It's not right. It's like this. So this is how you use it. You know, I now can use it like this, but I understand. First, you will not be able to use it. It's quite hard, but you just need to get used to it. You know, when I was a kid, when I was a child, like maybe in kindergarten, my parents fried a bowl of beans, and I remember practicing a lot, putting the beans from one plate to another. And practice makes perfect. Just practice all the time, and you'll get used to it. You'll get the power to be able to hold things and move things freely. You would be able to eat ramen and rice. You'll be able to pick anything. So this is how you use the chopsticks. One more time. Like this. This. Like, it's like this, right? Where it's here. Only move the 2 fingers. 2 of these fingers. So that's how you use the chopsticks. So now that we know how to use the chopsticks, I would like to show you how even this kind of rice, uncooked rice, you could catch. I mean, you could pick like the rice. Can you see this? Well, the zoom is not working, but like you could basically get even the small rice, grain of rice, like this, right? Plus, like, you know, I thought this one might be quite interesting. You could also, you know, this is my poker. I love poker. And you could also pick the poker chips. Like, oh, didn't work. Like this. And you could like keep on picking the pokers. Well, even for me, it's quite hard. Just keep on practicing, and you would be able to be a master in using chopsticks. But anyway, just like this. So basically, you could hold anything. Basically, you should just practice all the time. I recommend you get ready some beans or maybe some of your snacks, chocolates and so on, and try picking them one by one, and you'll get better. Just remember, it's like this. Oh, one thing, you know, famous Japanese manga, Slam Dunk. Same as basketball, you know. I'm a right-handed guy, so it's like this. You know, the left hand, you only place it here, right? There's a famous, where is it? Hanamichi Sakuragi Hanamichi said, "Hidari te wa soiru dake." The left hand, you only need to place it. I mean, you don't move the left hand. It's like this. Same with the hashi. Well, it's not the same, but you know, like think that these 3 fingers are the left hand, only for moving. This is only for moving. I mean, only there for assisting. And this is the right hand that's moving. So same as basketball. 左手は添えるだけ。3本の指は添えるだけ。Just 3 fingers, just place here so that it could assist. Like this. And there's another thing that I have to tell you. Some things in the Japanese culture that I want you to be aware of, and that is when you have the chopsticks, you should not point chopsticks to other people. Do not point. It's considered bad manners. Plus, you should not poke the food. Like when you want to get some, like for example the egg or something, you should not poke the egg. You should not poke the meat. That's also considered bad manner. So please do not do that. Plus, I did not speak a lot, but this is the hashioki, right? Well, mine's a butterfly shape, but there are different kinds. If you have a hashioki, well, that means that it's quite a good restaurant. But you just have to place the tip of the chopsticks here. And this is how you place the chopsticks. But there are some restaurants that do not have the hashioki. So what do? You have your bowl or plate, then you put it sideways, like this. You place like this. Another thing that you should not do, same as do not point to people, but it's bad manners to, like for example, if someone's sitting over there, you should not point it to other people. Be careful with that. It's considered bad manners. So that's all. So let's wrap up. I'll go over there and let's wrap up. So hey guys, I'm in my whiteboard right now and I just want to wrap up today's video. How to hold the hashi? Like this. Only move the top stick and your 2 fingers on top. This. Practice makes perfect. Keep on practicing. Do not poke the chopsticks in the food. Do not poke the food. And do not point the hashi, the chopsticks, to people. It's considered bad manners. So that's all for today. And lastly, I would like to do my workout. Let's do it. So hey guys, so lastly, I would like to finish this video with a little bit of workout. That's all for today. I hope I was able to provide some information, some useful information. So today's topic was about how to use the chopsticks, but I will be talking more about Japanese culture, Japanese travel, and so on. Plus I will also speak about the Philippines, where I am from. That's more of this calisthenics. So if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like button, plus please subscribe for more videos. And as I told you, I'm gonna be doing this both in Japanese and English. It was English today, but I hope it was the Japanese subscribers but also likes this. So thank you so much. 皆さん今日ありがとうございました。見てくださってありがとうございました。ぜひですね、今後も日本、フィリピン、そして、Calisthenics 自重トレーニングというんですけども、Calisthenics というんですけども、自重トレーニングの方をね、いろいろやっていきたいと思いますので、フィリピンとかもいろいろ伝えていきたいと思いますので、LIKE ボタン、そしてサブスクライブし していただいて、ぜひ次のビデオでお会いできたら嬉しいです。So, thank you everyone. Please have a good day and see you in my next videos. Bye bye. ありがとうございました。